getting ready to go meet the grandbaby. What do you think? Looks good, huh? I hope you can hear that little bird. Oh no, she left. Ugh. I was trying to creep up and catch it. She sits on the corner there and sings every morning. She's actually called a wren, but she's flown off. Oh my goodness. I fell back asleep this morning. I think probably around 9 o'clock-ish, I can't remember, and I just woke up around 1 o'clock. So I'm feeling a bit weak and shaky, I guess because I'm hungry. Wonder when my face is going to go down. Anyway. I'm definitely going to have to talk to I'm trying to like put my head up, and it's kind of tight at the back of my neck. It's an exciting day, actually. We are waiting to hear when the newest member of the family has joined us. The baby girl. Yes! My hubby's second granddaughter. So exciting. I can't think. Okay, food. So I'm gonna get some bone broth soup. Get me a cup of tea, that's for sure, and wake up. I think I might have to do a second round of eye drops, because my eyes are not focusing again, but that's okay. Hot. Wrong time of the day to be watering, but I really need to check these plants because someone doesn't know how to water quite correctly. Ooh! Look at that leaf. Somebody's been a-chomping. It's a caterpillar. That one's been chomped all the way off. Down to the stem. And I have to search this and see if I can find where the caterpillar is. Oh gosh. My blueberry. Oh, I really need to teach someone how to water correctly. Okay. These are the ginger. They should have been watered yesterday. Oh, get this one watered. Oh. I'm trying to hurry up the water to come out, but it's not going to come out any. Trying to make the water come out quicker, but it's not going to come out any quicker than it's. And this is one of the things that. One of the problems. When you let it run, when they get dry to this point here, water often ends up running off. You're kind of stuck between a rock and a hard place because if you water too much, it'll run off. If you don't water enough, that's the ginger. See that little one down there? That's still looking okay. So we have hope, but yep. Definitely going to need more water. Okay, let's see. Oh, there we go. That one's still good. Hopefully. Okay, let me look at my poor blueberry. Oh my gosh. Well, according to this, it's wet. It's on the wet side. All the way down at the bottom. Let me try it. There's its root ball. Okay, according to that, where its root ball is, it's leaning a little towards the wet, but it's still in the green, which is good. Oh, come on, baby. Come on, my baby. Maybe I should have left it in the house after I transplanted it. Oh, man. I'm so sad. Come on, baby. You can do it. This heat has been stressful on a lot of plants. I should have. And I don't want to stress it out even more by taking it inside. Oh. I'll move it further in the shade here. See if that will help. Okay, let's check the orange. Oh my gosh, it's leaning. Look. Oh gosh. It's got some roots coming up, it's leaning. No, you're not supposed to be leaning. Oh no. Look. Look, a baby orange fell off. No. That's sad. Okay. See, that's going towards the dry. It's wet further down. Yeah, towards the top where its root ball is, it's 2 inches down, it's dry. It's dry. Oh. At least it has new leaves on it. Look at that. That's an inchworm. That's somebody we really don't want. Look how he stands up. Very interesting. Sorry, little fella. You're gonna be gone. Okay. I'm not gonna kill him, I'm just gonna throw him over the edge. Probably should kill him. Okay, I need some more water for that. Okay. See? See on the leaf there? Right there, that's poop. That's caterpillar poop. So, caterpillar has to be around here somewhere. Where are you? Oh, I should have put my glasses on. See, there's caterpillar. That there is caterpillar P. Where are you? Did I find you? How does that? Nope. Nope, I did not find you. Are you in there? Nope, you're not in there. Okay, it is around here somewhere. Now, it depends on what type of caterpillar it is as to whether we let it continue munching. Because so far it's not really hurting. There it is. It just dropped. Oh! Oh no! Look at that! Look at that, ants! That's what happens when you let your soil dry out. That's probably why this is starting to lift. Oh man! Where the heck do you guys come from? Those are the teeny tiny ants that keep coming in my house. This is full of ants. Oh! We're going to have to get some DT and put it in the pot because it's not coming in. Now, for that size of poop that I've knocked off the leaf, I would have expected a bigger caterpillar. I'm going to have to wait till I put my glasses on. Okay, and there. See, that's what... This is all through the help of... From the coconut fibre. It's really helping to keep them moist. Let me take a look over here. Well, some things anyway. Yep, that's going towards the dry side, so that needs water. Sounds like an eagle. Oh, ow, ow. I can't see it. He's somewhere up there. Yeah, past them trees. Somewhere. Too many leaves for us to see. Oh, wait a minute. I think I see it. Oh, maybe not. That could be just a branch. Calling out for food. Oh, again, this hot air. It's heating the air up, the oxygen up in my oxygen line. Whew, let me tell you. I'll get my hubby to put a bit more water in the pot. No, in the watering can. I will water this orange. Man, we need to do something about those. Those ants, most definitely. It's funny how they just attack the orange. Well, because that's dry towards the top. That's why. Okay. Oh. Hot. Oh. Yeah. Oh. That's hot out there. I haven't even had a chance to check the acidity of the oil. Yeah, it's definitely way too hot. But I need to get those sweet potatoes watered. Oh, I know. I need to get the orange watered one. I have to teach him how to use that so he can gauge how much water they need. Oh. getting ready to go meet the grandbaby, granddaughter. What do you think? Looks good, huh? I'm so excited. Yes. Yes. Wow, that was an exciting day. An exciting day. So, oh, I didn't even show you the dress that I was wearing. Never mind. And no, I don't have any photos of me holding the baby. Well, anyway. It's been a long day. I'm tired. I'm exhausted. It's time to go to sleep. Can hardly keep my eyes open. But it was so sweet, so exciting. Such a sweet little baby she is. So, I'm going to say, be kind and considerate, caring and thoughtful towards those around you, and those you come in contact with, no matter how you come in contact with them. Remember, pain and suffering is pain and suffering. Doesn't matter what the type is. When you look somebody in the eye, make sure you can say, I see you. Because that person you're looking at might be you one day, and you might not like it. Remember, one step at a time, one breath at a time. I can do this. Keep saying that to yourself. And I promise you we'll get there. Eventually we'll get there. Good night, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, wherever you are in the world.